Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are well and safe. So let's start our makeup with affordable products. First we will apply a biotic toner to tighten the skin. Then vitamin C serum to give your skin a glow. Massage gently so that ये आपकी skin की layers में absorb हो जाए. Then we will apply moisturizer. Take a little in your finger, massage it and then apply on your face in circular motion. Then under eye gel. Take a little and apply on your eyelids and under your eyes. Moisturize your lips with the lip balm. Now we will apply color corrector to the pigmented area. I have applied peach color by mixing orange and yellow because I do not have that much dark spots. Apply it wherever needed. After giving good 30 to 40 seconds, we will blend. Blend it nicely. Make sure no residue left. Take off the extra product, take a beauty blender and tap it gently on the area where you think the product is extra. Now we will apply foundation. Take a little dot on your face, all over the face with your finger. You know guys, I'm more comfortable with my finger rather than brushes to apply any product. Then blend it with the brush. Blend it till the time you are not getting that fine layer on your face, that sheen layer on your face which gives you a glow. Till the time you don't achieve a skin-like layer on your face. To set our foundation, now we will apply loose translucent powder with a brush, fluffy brush. Tap tap on your face to give that matte look. How can we forget to apply a blusher? It's time to give your cheeks a nice pink color. Now our face is complete, so we will start from our eyes. Take a transition color on your crease with a blending brush. Now to define your eyes, take a dark shade on the eye corners. Blending is must for any product to show their pigments, to show their original shade. We have achieved a subtle look on eyes. Now we will transform them to a party look by just adding a shimmer on the eyelids. Guys, if you want तो आप ये इस process skip भी कर सकते हो to give your eyes a soft, subtle look. अब हम अपनी eyebrows को define करेंगे. So we will take an eyebrow pencil and fill the gap. After applying the eyebrow pencil, we are going to brush our brows. अब हम अपनी eyelashes को कर्ल करेंगे. We'll shape our lips with a lip liner and fill them. To give 3D effect to the lips, we are going to take a nude lipstick and apply in the middle. Tap tap. Here is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates.